Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stock chart in Excel. To create a stock chart in Excel, you'll need properly formatted data. The columns should include date, open, the opening price for each date, high, the highest price of the day, low, the lowest price of the day, close, the closing price of the day. Select your data and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Under the Charts section, look for the stock chart icon. Click it and choose the specific type of stock chart you want. I selected the second option, the candlestick chart, which is great for visualizing open, high, low, and close prices clearly. Now that your chart is created, it might not look perfect yet. We will format it to make it clearer and more visually appealing. Right-click on the axis and select Format Axis. Adjust the minimum and maximum values to fit your data range. This will help the chart display the data more effectively. Now we can change the color of the candlesticks. Right-click on one of the candlesticks in the chart. In the formatting options, choose Fill and select Color. Choose red for down days and green for up days. This color coding will make it easier to see price trends and changes at a glance. Now we can change the chart title to make it more descriptive. By right-clicking on the chart title, we can customize the font, color, and size to match your preferences or presentation style. Right-click on the side axis and select Font to customize the appearance. This allows you to change the font type, size, color, and style, making the axis labels more readable and matching them with the chart's overall design. We can format the date axis to choose which dates we want to display. Right-click on the date axis and select Format Axis. In the options, you can adjust the date intervals. This will help keep the chart clean and focused on the most relevant time periods. We can customize the position of the legend to make the chart clearer. Right-click on the legend and select Format Legend. From there, you can choose where the legend appears, such as at the top, bottom, left, or right of the chart. And that's all for this video. We've covered how to create, format, and customize a stock chart in Excel. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Excel tips and tricks.